Still snowing. This is in the Dallas area. Look how big it is. And the good thing is that the electricity, there's gonna be a lot of people gonna be pissed off at us. It only went out like 15 minutes. We took the Jaguar I-Pace yesterday. He does what he's supposed to do. It has the snow moving on it, and it won't allow you to spin. Hey, it's still snowing, Jerry. We crank this up, works perfectly too. No issues. Now the Karma, we haven't even tried, man. I know it'll run. This will run because the battery is inside. Actually, now it's on the left side of the hood. But it's kind of look cool. You just don't know what it is. It was fucking clean when I parked it. It's still clean, you can tell on the rims. Anyways. Now let me go see the other toys. Oh fuck. Shit. Yeah, well, let's see. I'm afraid that the way it is right now outside, a Yeti might come out of the woodworks. That'd be awesome. Take a fucking picture of a Yeti. Oh shit. Yeah, just about everywhere. I don't know if you can hear that. That's it now. Coming down pretty good. Kind of feels a little eerie, creepy. I want to say I think we got. I forgot to put the motorcycles in the sheds. Shit. Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, you usually put these two in there, and this one, I put it in there. He was too fucking cold to do it, so fuck it. We just covered him up and said, fuck it. Uh-oh. Emergency vehicle. What's going on here? He's being a faggot. That city has workers. Yeah, you faggots. We pay them a lot of money. All they do is just fucking drive around harassing people. Code enforcements. Do you believe that fuckers are outside? And look how bad it is. All they do is just drive around and spend the fucking gasoline out of our tax money. Fuckers. Oh, check this shit out. I have BMW fence. Trust me. It is made by BMW. Cost me big money. Some people don't even know what. People ask me, hey man, is that really BMW? Yeah. Where'd you get it? I have friends in high places. Same type of fence they use at a BMW plant. That's why it's stamped with BMW on it.